Welcome to the demonstration of the mobile application called GDMApp and its associated medical portal as part of the Big Medalytics pilot of managing gestational diabetes. In this video, I will take you through a step-by-step description of how a patient Rose will be able to record her daily blood sugar levels on the GDMApp and how a healthcare professional, Mary, from the Rotunda Diabetes Clinic will be able to access and monitor this information remotely and help Rose in managing her condition without having to visit the hospital regularly. The first step involves Rose coming to the hospital for a checkup, where Mary chats to her about GDMApp and helps her download the app onto her phone from either the Apple Store or Google Play. Following this, Mary uses the secure Rotunda medical portal to create login details for Rose, who can then use these to log into the app. Mary does so by clicking the Add Patient button on the portal and filling out the necessary details. Once the details are successfully entered, Rose shows up as a new patient on the home page of the portal. If we click on Rose's name, you can see that more tabs appear, including one which will display the blood sugar readings from the app and another with the same readings in graph form. There is also another tab which shows risk analysis for Rose based on her readings. On the home page, if 30% of all Rose's blood sugar readings are out of the medically defined safe range, then Rose will be highlighted in yellow as a warning sign indicating to Mary that she has to contact Rose and chat to her personally about managing her sugar levels better. Now that Rose is set up on the portal, she can now log into the app. When logging in, Rose will be prompted to change her password to ensure data protection. Once logged in, Rose is taken to the GDMApp homepage, where she has access to the Rotunda Gestational Diabetes Management Booklet, which has very useful information that Rose can use to manage her condition better. At the bottom of the page, you can see that there are 3 other tabs for Rose to explore. Before Rose can go any further, Mary has to provide Rose with a fresh glucometer kit that she can use at home to test her blood sugar levels with. Mary shows Rose how to take a reading and mark this reading as either fasting or post-meal on the glucometer. Mary then shows Rose how to connect the glucometer to the GDMApp by going to the Connect page and holding down the big button on the glucometer until the Bluetooth is activated. This causes the glucometer ID to display on the Connect page. Mary can now click on the ID to pair the 2 devices and transfer the readings from the glucometer to the app. These readings are then displayed to Rose on the blood sugar tab in an easy-to-use manner. GDMApp achieved this smoothly by using smart Bluetooth technology, the industry standard, as it uses less battery for both the mobile devices and the sensor, and is more secure because of the pairing of communication between the 2 devices. On the blood sugar tab, Rose can see all her readings taken so far, displayed on the weekly and daily fasting and post-meal graphs. She can also see them listed on the glucose diary page, which will help Rose read them out loud when Mary makes a phone call to her every 2 weeks to check on her progress. Rose also has the option to make a manual entry if she needs to by clicking the plus symbol on this page. The GDMApp also provides Rose with other tools to manage her condition by improving her lifestyle through diet and exercise. On the diary page in the diet section, Rose can enter her daily meals, which are time-stamped, so she can decide on the optimal time and type of meals that help keep her blood sugars within limit. In the exercise section, Rose can record her daily exercise, whether it's walking, running, swimming, yoga, or any other exercise. She can then look at the weekly exercise chart to see if she has completed the recommended 150 minutes of exercise per week. In the weight section, Rose can track her weight loss or gain by making an entry every month or so, which is then displayed on the weight graph neatly. In the pedometer section, the sensors built into the mobile phone allow Rose to count the daily number of steps taken so that she can monitor her exercise this way as well and adjust her daily routine accordingly. In the next section, GDM video links, Rose can watch an animated video to learn more about gestational diabetes and also relate to real-life mums and their experiences through the link to the Real Talk with Real Moms series. Finally, in the contact section, Rose has access to more information on the Rotunda Hospital social media and also important contact details of the study staff. If Rose wants to get in touch with Mary, she can press the Request Feedback button, which is relayed to Mary on the portal as a yes in red, who can then contact Rose at the earliest opportunity available. Likewise, if Mary wanted to contact Rose for a review, Mary can do so easily by clicking the Send Review button, which will send a notification to Rose's phone informing her that Mary will be in contact with her soon. The GDMApp has been designed to be an easy-to-use introduction to healthcare technology, and we hope that this will help improve the quality of life for women with gestational diabetes by saving their time, energy, and finances, and guiding them towards an improved lifestyle. Thank you for your time and attention.